So when it comes to those grants, is there anything that is just really important as you've gone through that process when you think about our audience being other innovators that are in the trenches that may be looking at where they're going to get some funding? Any advice for them?
So I think it really helps to be able to apply for a grant with a health system as a partner, and then be able to go to the grant funder and say that this startup company plus this health system are looking to collaborate on a particular project. That ends up being something that's a nice package to be able to offer, both because it provides that sort of private-public blend, and also because it shows that you have a fair amount of validation at product market fit at a time when you're not able to actually have customers or to sort of show that you are building something that people are actively buying. If you can at least show that the people who would be the users are really excited about the project and willing to dedicate their own time and energy, it goes a long way toward showing that you're building something that will be exciting for your users.